All right, this is your Handwriting Without Tears book. It's called Printing Power, and it's a tealy blue color. You should already have this at your house. If you do not, please go pick it up at school. It's waiting for you. You have a seahorse, sailfish, and jellyfish at the front. Let's look inside. All right, so now we need to practice how to hold the paper. If you are left-handed, that means you write with your left hand. The star should go towards the sky, okay? The star should point up. If you're right-handed, it should point down, all right? There are whiteboards also at school this week waiting for you, okay? There's a star in the corner. That's how you hold your paper. Next, when we are writing our letters and our words, we need to make sure we start where there's the black dot. We need to do each step in order and make sure you bump the line. That means hit the top line and the bottom line. Then also make sure there's a space in between the letters. All right, so this is called pencil pickups. I want you to do this whole page and take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw. So this one is an alligator, and I need you to make those zigzags in the teeth. I need you to make holes like this in the Swiss cheese and swirly marks like this on the sheep for wool. I need you to add hair like this on the lion for the mane and finish the swirl for the lollipop. Add spokes like this in each tire. Add spots on the cheetah and then add grass. Then you write your name here. Okay? Here is what's called frog jump capitals, and that's the first thing we're going to talk about today. Remember that we start with the black dot. So frog jumps are F-E-D-B or P-B-R-N and M. So we start up here with the black dot and make a big line down just like this. Then we frog jump the whole way back up to the top to do our second line and then our third line. Okay? We start at the starting in the corner on the dot, then make a big line down, then frog jump back up to the top, make a line over and another line over. Let's practice on my whiteboard. Here we go. We'll start up at the top. Make a line down. Then go back up to the top, line across, line across. That's letter F. Start up at the top, big line down, frog hop to the top, swoop around for the letter B or D. There we go. Now we can do the letter B. Big line down, frog jump to the top, swoop, swoop. You can see how my paper is tilted, okay? Now this is where your work comes in. Here we go. I want you to write each of these letters, the F, E, D, P, B, R, N, M. Practice writing each of them, okay? They must look just about exactly like the letters above. You write them in these boxes. Then write them on the line, starting at each dot. Okay, down here, don't do this. We will do this in our Google Meets together. So remember to bring your book to Google Meets. It says Mystery Letter Game for Frog Jump Capitals. So I'll say a letter and then you're going to write it. Okay, we're going to do that during Google Meets. So have fun practicing.